friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So today you are going to learn MVVM. We are going to learn how to log in using MVVM. So I have created one demo. If this is correct credential, if it is correct credential, then it will show message as login successfully. And if it is incorrect, then it will show invalid login. When you click on the login button, I change the username, is showing invalid login. Okay, let's see how it is done in MVVM. So in generally you will match the for example the text box name dot text is equal to uh, um, you will match the string, and if it is matched, then it will show the message, else it will show that it is invalid. Okay, in generally, so it is 2 to 3 lines of code, but in MVVM it is different. So in MVVM all the logics will be done in view model. It will not be done in the backend code. MVVM is a model view view model. Okay, models means the logic, and view means the UI, and view models means the all the fields. So I will explain you. Okay, here is a website. It is explained very clearly. You can go through it. So it is view. It is means UI. It will pass the message through the commands, means it doesn't have any events or any select index change, means it does not have any events like click event or selected index change. It have only commands and data binding. Through commands it will pass the command to the view model. View model will will pass the command to the model. It will process the logic, and it will send to the view model, and collect the data, and this data will show to the view. Okay, so so all the logic are done in the view models only. So we will check the code. So I have created this is the UI design. Okay, I will not explain. I am not explaining this UI design. I will share the code because it is very easy. You can design it, but orally I will explain. This is a grid control, and this is label. This is frame. Under the frame I have added label. This is font awesome, and here is a text box. Same here, and this is button. It is very simple, so I am not explaining this code. See, for showing the progress bar, I have used the refresh view here, and here it is binding is busy property. I will explain what is this. Then it is throwing the command login command, means on the load if first it will refresh the view by sending the command as a login command. Okay, and here I have, and this is username text box. Here I have binded the username, password. It is two-way, means it will if you edit, then property will also update. and it is, so you can see I have not written here click event. I have passing the command. See, I am not written here any click event. I am only passing the command. So from where it is coming this command? By data binding context. I have said binding context as a view model. Let's see what is in view model. This is a base view model. In every view model you have to inherit this view model. Okay, so first we will look into this. This it will inherit the I notify property change. It is inbuilt function, inbuilt class, so you don't have to create any class for this. So inherit this class by in the base view model, and this is the is busy property. This is for the refresh view, for the showing the progress. If anything is going in the background, then progress bar will be showing that something is happening in the background, so user will know that he has to wait. Then this is the title. Okay, means I'm not using this title, but this is for the form title. This is the set property, means it will set the property, means if I using set, for example this is a property name title, so I am using the set property title reference to this title. Okay, so it will set the value, whatever this is value, to this value, and if any changes is done in the text box, so it will send a notification to this property that some changes is done, so it will affect to the properties. See, here on property, it is I have inherited this this I notify property change, so I have overriding this. I am using this property change. Okay, and I am writing that if any changes is done, then invoke this property. This I am inheriting this base view model. Okay, so this is set property which is defined in this base view model. So this is getter and setter. It is written in one line. You can also write like get and curly braces. It will also work, but it is in one line. Okay, so I am setting, I want to use two property, username and password. Then I am setting here the property for the username and password. This is login command. So the syntax is public command, the name of the command, and the in the constructor you have to initialize that command by passing the function. Okay, method. So in this method you can do the basic logic here, means you can call here API, or you can do any logic here. It will be the basic logic here you don't have to use any MVVM logic, but you can do here basic logic. So here I have matched the username password. If it is correct, then it will throw that the login is successful, otherwise it will throw invalid login. And I am setting here is busy is equal to true, means if it is true, then it will show the progress bar, and after completing this method, so it will set as a false, means it will the progress bar will be hide. Okay, so now everything is written here. So I have come with very I have come with only login page. So in the next session I will come with the uh, next level of the MVVM, where you can set uh, uh, data to the multiple template. Okay, so for today uh, I am explaining only login page. So for progress bar, if you are not remembering, I'm showing you. When I click on the button, it is showing the progress bar. Okay, after completing the method, it will hide the progress bar. So it is very easy, and now many developers are using the MVVM. So please share your feedback how how it is, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.